had a really busy morning. So it is 11:20 now. Yeah, this morning my boyfriend went to the airport for a work trip. So I was helping him kind of finish packing this morning. I edited the vlog and have it exported and uploaded now. So that'll be going live. And I did a little bit of tidying. I had a couple of work meetings. Just been like moving and shaking and doing things. Going into a meeting, I have a nice LaCroix. Got the orange flavor this time. I'm really not that brand specific. I feel like LaCroix is a good fallback, but their generics are good too. I'm more of a flavor person. But I like the orange. It's not, it's sparkling water. It's not never too much flavor. Seriously, where has the day gone? It is 3:20. I feel like I've been in this vortex of time suck, but that's okay. It's been good. Okay, hello. Oh, Miko. Every day about this time, he visits me on my desk, which I did buy a longer desk so that he would have a spot to sit and not be in my way, but he still ends up in my way anyway. Of course, right? That's what you do. I know. You can't help it. Wow, that is the first fish house I've seen out on the lake. Now that is a pop-up situation. So there's two there. They're both pop-up. So you would lug it out, pop it up, set it up out there, and then you pull it back in. There are more permanent ones that are out there, but the ice is not thick enough and strong enough for that yet. But that is exciting to see the first one out there on the bay. Y'all, look at this sunset. How gorgeous are those colors? I'm loving that. So it's early when the sun is going down, but it's really pretty. So I really, have to look at the positives. Okay, so for dinner tonight, I'm doing that new recipe with a puff pastry. And it's frozen, but you need to let it thaw. It says up to 40 minutes. So I'm going to check on it in about 20 for you to unroll it and start using it. So what I think I'm going to do is just really fast try to edit a video and get it exporting, and then I can have it export during dinner and upload and all that. I totally forgot tonight is Wednesday, which is Survivor night. I love Survivor. I am a Survivor fan. I grew up watching it. So I'm going to watch that tonight. My dad and I always watch it, but he can't watch tonight. He has something else going on. So he'll watch tomorrow and call me then. Okay. This is the dinner situation before it goes in the oven. So it's 2 sheets of puff pastry, mozzarella cheese on the bottom, 2 zucchinis sliced. I've got goat cheese sprinkled on top, salt, pepper, garlic, lemon zest. So we're going to see how this turns out. I probably am going to drizzle balsamic glaze after it's done, but let's just cook it and see how it goes first. While dinner is cooking, we are giving out Christmas cards. We did this last year. We're doing it again. So we wrote all the cards last night with a message inside. Side note, I got these really cute ones from Target for $1. It came with just plain green and the ones with the trees. We are giving out cards again to our friends, our local bartender servers that take good care of us. Obviously, you guys are catching on that we go into town to watch football. It's just where we hang out, and everybody is so nice to us. So we budgeted this year to give out cash in these Christmas cards. I budgeted $20 per person. My boyfriend did $40 per person. So in each card, we're putting $60. We have all the cash. And it feels really good to budget for something throughout the year, at least for me anyway, and know that it's there. And like on December 1st or 2nd or whatever, I could just pull the cash and be ready to do this. So we are going to start giving them out this weekend. And then if anybody we don't see, then we have a couple of weekends to try to find them before, Christmas is here. It smells so good. Look how good that looks. Like, can you see how fluffy that is? Okay, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of balsamic on top. You could totally do honey. You could do like pepper flakes. I'm gonna do like a little drizzle of balsamic, cut it up and dive in. I'm so pumped. Okay, wow, this is incredible. Highly recommend. You could totally do different toppings. I would say with this, with the zucchini, the goat cheese really shines. Oh my god, like eating a croissant pizza. It is so good. Wow.
Moving forward is to drive a wedge between Cassidy and Carla just to reinforce that idea.
Good morning. I have to tell you, I had the weirdest dreams last night and this morning. I don't even know. Making my coffee now. It's a little bit later. It's 9 o'clock. Making my coffee. I just spent the first half hour of my day kind of checking at emails and, you know, all that stuff in the morning. So I made that puff pastry pizza, which I totally think I'm going to use puff pastry for a pizza base for other things, like a different flavors. I think that's genius. And that was really good. I watched Survivor, then I watched Shrek and fell asleep on the couch. And that was nice. We'll say the other thing this morning as I was getting dressed, I forgot I had fleece-lined leggings, and that was a win. I found them in my drawer because my drawer, I have a drawer of like sweatpants, leggings, just like comfy pants that I wear that aren't jeans. I think I actually find jeans to be comfortable, but I don't always wear them every day. And so most of my sweatpants that I've been wearing need to go through the laundry. So I needed something, and I had this one pair of leggings at the very bottom. I'm like, what are these? Why haven't I been reaching for them? And then I realized, oh my gosh, those are my fleece lined. So I'm wearing them today, and they're so cozy. They've got pockets too, which is really great. I love leggings with pockets to stick my phone in. So that was a win. And my coffee is done and it looks delicious. Let's have a sip. Y'all, the day has gotten away with me. All of a sudden, it's 2:15. How does that happen? I'm going to start my first load of laundry. Can't believe I haven't done that yet, but just some back-to-back meetings, I guess we'll do that. So I'm going to start my first load of laundry, grab a quick snack, get going. Hi, friends. I am running out to the post office. It's 3:20, 23 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's not windy, so it actually feels kind of decent for winter. I'm not gonna say it's good because it's still cold, but the wind is not going right now, so that helps quite a bit. The sun is kind of low in the sky, so you're getting weird reflections and stuff, but it's a gorgeous day. I am pretty much done for the day. I never took lunch, so I'm taking lunch now, but it's kind of at the end of my day, so I'm just going to check my emails when I get back and see if there's any Slack messages, but I'm pretty much done. So that's nice. Tonight for dinner, I'm going to have leftovers from that puff pizza thing, so I don't really need to cook dinner. You have the right of way. I really don't need to cook dinner tonight, which is great. Okay, I'm going to go get the mail, drop a letter off. I will see you when I'm back. Okie dokie, mail picked up. The letter that I needed to send is out, which is great. I think we got a couple of Christmas cards, which is fun. We never do like photos, all the cards. It's just us. And we post so much on Facebook and Instagram that if you wanted to see photos of me throughout the year, there's a plethora of them. But I think it's fun with the families, and especially when they do the cute like coordination outfits and all of that. I just remembered I wanted to work out today, so I'll probably flip the laundry, do a workout, and then settle in for the evening. Home again. Okay, I wanted to share because this is new to me, but I have a surgery planned for the beginning of February, and my surgeon has a set of vitamins he recommends everybody take beforehand and then also afterwards to promote healing. It's kind of invasive, so I'm gonna need all the help I can get, but everything will be okay. It's not like a scary thing. I'm gonna be just fine, but I got some of the vitamins in and a new little pill container. I really take something. I mean, I have a multivitamin that I take every morning. It's like the chewable gummies, but I don't have pills that I take every day. So it's new to me, and I wanted to get a pill container, and I found this one off of Amazon. First of all, it's fun because it's rainbow, obviously, but I really liked that it had this like individual that for each day. So the case itself opens up here, and then you have two sides, a morning and night side for your pills. I have 3 in each. I could definitely fit a couple more in there. And they're all labeled. So this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like they're all labeled. And I liked this because I'm not always home at mealtime. And I have to take pills at mealtime. I can't do it on an empty stomach. It does bother me. So I liked this because I could just stick this in my bag for the day. I really like the style of this. So I will link this down below if you are in need of a pill container. Anyway, wanted to mention that. Otherwise, it's time to work out. I definitely need to do this. I'm not wanting to, but I need to. So I'm going to put on an MK Fit video and get it done. Okay, I did the Country Girl video. I didn't care for the one that she posted, so I found a different one. I will link it down below. I had to definitely modify everything. It was really fast, but that's okay. It was still fun. Got a little bit of sweat on. I've been cooling down for a few minutes, so not as bad as I first was, but you know, they're just nice. This one was 22 minutes. It's just very doable, I guess, and it's fun music, so I figure I can get through any 20-minute cardio thing. So here's the thing. I called my dad because he didn't watch Survivor last night. He watched it today, so we had to talk about Survivor. And while we were talking, I got under a blanket and laid down, and I can't get up now. I'm so cozy. But I really need to move my sheets from the wash to the dryer. That like has to happen. I think maybe when I do that, I will put my PJs on. And then I definitely need to edit something tonight too. So the biggest thing is just getting myself out from underneath this blanket because it's so cozy. But I thought maybe if I admitted that I was here, it would help me get up so that I could do those things and then come back to the same spot. Good morning. Happy Friday. A little bit earlier today because Friday mornings I have a customer call right when I start my day. So I've got the robot vacuum going if you hear anything, which is nice. If you have ever thought about one, I like them. They're not perfect, but it does help with crumbs and just cat hair and just getting that top layer figured out. I would say if you like lines in your carpet, this is not maybe for you, but we don't have, our carpet's like a different texture. It doesn't do lines, but it does hard surfaces well, over rugs, all of that good stuff. And it kind of forces us to tidy up the floor before we run it, like put the shoes away and all of that. So I'm running that this morning, making my toast, coffee is brewing. We have all the things in action. This is a very exciting day in my work life because I have yet again finished an entire notebook. How fun. If you are familiar, I always share when I finish up pens, but I finally finished up a notebook. This is a 3-subject notebook. I started this on February 18th and it lasted me until, goodness, what's today? December 9th. That's not bad. Now, I was taking a certification, and so I have one section just for those notes. If I wasn't, this would last me a lot longer, but not bad. So I'm starting a new one. I always use these like school, college ruled size notebooks because the little ones, I don't have enough space. I don't know. But I particularly prefer the grid paper instead of lined paper. Just, I don't know, it's just a preference, but yes, I always get a couple of them at back to school time because the grid paper can be hard to find otherwise, but oh, a fresh notebook. And then since we're talking about it, I have this little cup of, you know, pens and whatever, and I choose a different color every day for my notes. It just makes it a little bit more fun, but also when I flip through, because I don't always write the date, I can see the days change and know, okay, this happened all in one day and then that's the next day, because I've had to reference my notes, you know, and stuff like that. So anyway, I think today I will start with a deep purple. I have all sorts of colors in here, but I try to keep a little bit of a variety. I also have these gel pens, these glitter gel pens. Actually, my boss got these for me when I visited the company. I flew out west to visit everybody, and I had a little gift bag of that and actually a little coloring book that was really cute. So anyway, new notebook, starting off with a purple pen. Very exciting. Okay, so this is super random, but when I was cleaning my bathrooms this week, I realized the soap container in each one was getting low. This one's a little bit lower, but still. So I thought I'd do a little satisfying refill. Okay, so I got one filled. This one's about halfway. I'm putting this upside down so the rest kind of falls down, and then I will top this off and this will be empty. We go through about one of these a year. It's just like a bulk, you know, standard hand soap. But anyway, while that is dripping down, let's talk about nail polish for a second. So I just did a declutter video. I will link that if you didn't see it, including my nail polish. And I will switch out my nail polish from time to time. So I have this little bag. I always keep a clipper, top coat, and base coat in there. And then I like to switch out the colors. So these are like the wintry colors I selected. I've got some nice sparkly ones from Zoya. So I've got a deep blue. This one's kind of like a, I don't know, medium blue with gold shimmer. Really pretty. This is kind of like a periwinkle. I really like this one. It's just got a slight shimmer to it, but not really anything major. Got a red sparkle, green sparkle. This is just a cherry red. This is Essie, what's this called? Off Tropic. That's what I have on my nails now. So it's like this deep emerald green. And then I have a lighter gray and this kind of rose gold shimmer. I was on the fence about this one, so maybe I'll wear it for New Year's or something. But that is my little selection right now. I thought I'd show you that. Okay, I'm going to do a quick one of those MK Fit videos. My goal is to do 3 workouts this week. This will be my 3rd, and if I'm feeling up to it, maybe I'll do one this weekend, but I definitely want to get this one in. I'm going to do an EDM HIIT workout. It says Let's Rage. And that's what's calling to me today. I will link that one down below if you want to check it out. So let's go ahead, get it done and over with for the day. That was fun. I had to take my long sleeve off. I was getting too sweaty, but that was fun. I actually liked that one way more than I ever thought. Just the dance house music was fun. So that is done. I need to cool down, have some more water, and then get ready for a call in about a half hour. So I have time to de-sweat, and then I will shower over lunch and all that good stuff. Okay, after my workout, I took a body shower. Didn't feel like washing my hair, so I just brushed it out, put some dry shampoo, wearing a hat because the top is oily, but curled the bottom, so it looks fine. I am going to head up to the airport. It's about a 45-ish minute drive to pick up my boyfriend. He's flying home tonight, so going to go get him. It's about 5:15, so I should be there around 6, and that's right when he comes in. I'm gonna put on some music and we'll be on our way. Okay, we made it to the airport. I'm just waiting here. The nice thing about regional airports, like a lot smaller ones, you can just park here and nobody yells at you like at the big airports to keep circling. So just hanging out. They should be landing any minute, and then grab his bags and jump in the car.